everyone, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Take in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में ओलंपियाड क्लास 10 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक पार्ट 2 कवर करने जा रहा हूँ. सो ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक पार्ट 1 में ऑलरेडी आई हैव कंसेप्ट कवर्ड द basic concepts, right? The formula, okay, is all this formula, right? We have covered, and including the questions. There are 5 questions I have covered, right? These questions I have covered in the first video. This is the second question. Okay, I have covered the third question, right? Fourth question and the fifth question. Now I will continue with the next question. So that is the question number here, the sixth question. Okay, so what is the sixth question here? The sixth question is here, x equal to what we have given here, a tan theta, and y equal to b sec theta. So I can write this as x by a. Okay, x by a equal to what? Tan theta. So we get x by a equal to tan theta, and y by b equal to what? Y by b equal to sec theta. Okay, so the two things we get here. Okay, and now you need to just recall the identity, the relation between the sec and tan. That is what here, sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is the relation, sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is equal to 1. So just putting the sec theta and tan theta, right? The sec theta is y by b, so y by b the whole square, right? And tan theta is x by a, so x by a the whole square, right? Equal to 1. So this is what, y square by b square and minus x square by a square, right? X square by a square equal to what? 1. Okay, so if you see the option y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1, so the correct option is option A, right? Okay, continue with the next question. So next question here is, you have given in under root, right? You have given in under root sec theta, right? You have given here sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1. Okay, and plus what here? Under root sec theta plus 1, sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1. Okay, we need to simplify this and see which option is equal to this relation. Okay, so what I will do here is, I will just take the LCM, right? In the denominator part, if you take the LCM, so both will be in under root, right? So that is what here, sec theta. So if you see here, this is sec theta plus 1 and the other root is sec theta minus 1. Okay, so what will happen here? So this sec theta minus 1 multiply to this numerator part, so that will be what? Sec theta minus 1 the whole square, and this will be what here? Under root sec theta plus 1, sec theta plus 1 the whole square. So now what we can write this as, square root will be removed here, sec theta minus 1, and this is what? Sec theta plus 1. Okay, in denominator this 2 will be in 1 under root, and that will be a plus b, a minus b identity will be apply here. So sec square theta minus 1 square, that is 1. Here what we can do here is minus 1 plus 1 cancel, sec theta plus sec theta, that is 2 sec theta. And what is sec square theta minus 1? That is tan square theta. So tan square theta, right? This is tan square theta. Okay, so that is tan theta basically. Okay, 2 and sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta, right? Here 1 by cos theta, and this is tan square theta under root, so tan theta. So tan theta at what I can write? Sin theta by cos theta. So you can see here the cos and cos get cancelled. So this is what? 1 by sin theta. We get here 2 by sin theta, right? 2 by sin theta, that is what? 2 cosec theta. 1 by sin is what? Cosec. So 2 cosec theta. If you see the correct option, so option A is the correct option. Okay, next, coming to the next question. So the question number here, next one is your question number 8. Okay, so what we have here? We have here sin A plus B plus C. Sin A plus B plus C equal to what? 1. Okay, sin A plus B plus C equal to 1. When sin is 1? When it is 90 degree. So A plus B plus C is 90. So I write here 90. Okay, 90 degree. Say this one is first. Okay, then tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is what? Tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. When tan is 1 by root 3, 30 degree. So A minus B is what? 30 degree. So I put here the 30 degree tan A minus B. And the third is what? Sec what? A plus C. Sec A plus C is what? Sec A plus C is your 2. When it is 2, sec A plus C is 2 when it is 2. So this is 2 when A plus C value is 60 degree. Okay, So we have here the three relations, right? Now we have to find the value of ABC. So simply what I will do here, I will just put this 3, putting 3, right, putting third in first, right? So we get from there b plus a plus c value is 60 equal to what, 90. So from here we get b, 90 minus 60. Okay, if you see here, so you can get 90 minus 60, so 30. We get the value of b is what, 60, 30 degree. Okay, now we have a minus b, right? We have a minus b. A minus b is what, a minus b is your, a minus b, if you see a minus b, right, a minus b is 30. Okay, fine. So a minus b is 30. Okay, so I write this as 30. Okay, 30. And what is b? B is 60, right? B is what, 60. Okay, b is if you see the b is 30, b is 30. Okay, fine, b is 30. Okay, so I just put this b as 30. Okay, 30 equal to 30. So a is what, 60. A is what, 60. Now we have to find c. So a plus b plus is 90. A plus b plus c is 90. So a is your 60, b is your 30, right? B is your 30 plus c is 90. So from here we get c as 90 minus 90. 90 minus 90, so c is 0. So if you see the order a b c value, a is 60, b is 30 and c is 0, right? C is 0. So 60, 30 and 0. 60, 30 and 0. So you have to check this option, right? 60, 30 and 0 ABC. So correct option is option C. Okay, let's continue with the next question. So next question here is x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z equal to r cos theta. So you have to find which option is correct option. So squaring and adding x and y, so x square plus y square, so we get here the r square sin square theta cos square phi, right, cos square phi, and plus r square sin square theta sin square phi, right, sin square phi. So take r square sin square theta common, right? So we get here the cos square phi plus sin square phi, sin square phi. So we have here the r square sin square theta, because cos square phi plus sin square phi is 1. Okay, now z is what, r cos theta. So if we square and add this to x square plus y square, so this is x square plus y square, already we have found, that is r square sin square theta, r square sin square theta. And what is z? Z is r cos theta, so r square cos square theta. Okay, fine. So if we take r square common here, so we get sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? And that is equal to what, 1. So this is what, r square. So x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So correct option is option A. Okay, now coming to the next question. So question number 10 here. Okay, question number 10. So question number 10 is here 1 plus 10 square a. So 1 plus 10 square a is basically what, sec square a. So right here sec square a. And 1 plus, what is this, 1 plus 1 by cot 10 square a, that is what, 1 by 10 is cot, so 1 plus cot square a. So I write this as sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. Okay, cosec square a. Now what I can write here, this is 1 by cos square a, right, 1 by cos square a and cosec square, so I can write this as 1 by sin square a. Okay, take the LCM. So this is what, cos square a, cos square a into what, sin square a, cos square a into sin square a. In numerator we have the result as sin square a plus cos square a, and this is equal to what, 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by, I change everything to sin, so I write this as 1 minus sin square a for cos square a, right, into what, sin square a. Okay, into what, sin square a. So 1 by, if you open this bracket, so this is sin square a, and this is what, sin to the power 4a, sin to the power 4a, right? If you see the option, so correct option is option A, right, sin square a minus sin to the power 4a. Okay, coming to the next question. So next question is question number 11. So what is this question here? X by a cos theta, y by b sin theta equal to 1. X by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to 1. So what I do here is, I'm just squaring and adding, right? So this is what, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta whole square, right, whole square, squaring, and this is what x by a sin theta, x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta, squaring this 2 and adding. So this side 1 square plus 1 square, right? 1 square plus 1 square is what? 2, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now expanding this, so this is what? X square by a square cos square theta, right? A square plus b square, so y square by b square, okay, sin square theta plus 2ab, so I write here 2x by a y by b cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta. Okay, fine. Next I will expand this part, so this is what? X square by a square sin square theta, x square by a square sin square theta, okay, plus y square by b square cos square theta, cos square theta, and then minus 2 x by a sin theta y by b cos theta equal to what? 1 plus 1. So this result and this result get cancelled. So now you can see here we can take x square by a square common from here, so we are left with cos square theta plus sin square theta, and from this 2 y square by b square take common, so we are left with here the sin square theta plus cos square theta, and that is also equal to 1, and this is 1 plus 1 2. So basically we get here the result as x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. X square by a square plus y square b square equal to 2, right? If you see the option, so correct option is option B, right? Okay, now continue with the next question. So question number 12 here. So what is the question here? You have here the x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta, right, equal to what? Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, and we have other equation. So that equation I can write as x sin theta minus y cos theta is equal to what? 0. So we have two equation. We have to find the value of x and y, right, by solving this two equation. So what I will do here is I will just multiply the second by cos square theta, right, and then we'll add. So first plus second into cos square theta. See, elimination method basically using. So here the x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta, okay, and right hand side here sin theta into cos theta. Fine. Now multiplying the second by cos square theta, so this is x sin theta cos square theta, and this becomes what? Minus y cos cube theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay, so adding, basically adding, so this is cancel out, right? Now take what? Sin theta common, x common, right? So we have here the sin square theta plus what? Cos square theta, okay, plus cos square theta, and right hand side we have sin theta into cos theta. Okay, fine. So sin theta and sin theta get cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so x is equal to cos theta. So we have here x equal to cos theta. Okay, fine, x equal to cos theta. So we get the value of x, that is cos theta. Now we have to see the another value y. So what we can do here is just putting x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Second equation we have x sin theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. So putting x as what? Cos theta here. So cos theta into sin theta. This is cos theta into sin theta equal to y cos theta. So even cos and cos get cancelled. So y is sin theta. So we get x equal to sin theta, x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin theta. So you have to see which relation is the correct relation between sin and cos. Sin and cos is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So if you square and add, this two, x square plus y square, right, simple relation. So cos square theta, cos, x is cos, so cos square theta, and y is sin, so sin square theta, right, sin square theta, okay, sin square theta. So just putting here the sin square theta, okay, and this is equal to what? 1, equal to 1. So if you see the option, so correct option is option C. C is your correct option. Okay, Next, coming to the next question. So question number here 13. Okay, so question number 13, how would we solve this? So we have here sine theta. Basically we have here the sine theta, that is what, 4 by 5. Sine theta is 4 by 5. Just draw a right angle triangle here, make this angle theta. So according to this, this is P, this is B, this is H. Sine theta is P by H. P by H. So this is the value, 4 is the value of P and 5 is the value of H. So we have to find B. So relation between PB, H is here, we can find B as H square minus P square. So simple, 5 square, that is 25, minus P square, so 16. So this is 9 root 9, so 3. So B is 3. Fine. Now we have to just putting all this value. Sine theta is B by H. So B is your 3 by 5. Minus 1 by 10 is basically cot. Cot is what here? B by. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And divided by 2 cot. So 2 into 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4 plus what? 10. 10 is what? 10 is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. Sec is what? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 divided by cosec. Cosec is H by P. So 5 by 4 and plus 1. Right? We have to just simplify. This is cancel out. Right? This is even cancel out 2 times. So now simplify this. This is what? 20. So 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 by 20 divided by what? 3 by 2. Okay, write this here, 3 by 2 plus this is what? 4 by 5. I write this 4 by 5. This is what? 4. 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay, so now writing this value here, minus 3 by 20, minus 3 by 20 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 9 by 4 by, sorry, this is what? 4 by this is 4 by your 4 by, I write this as 4 by 9. Okay, so now see here, this is 10. Okay, this is 10. 3 and 3 get cancelled. 3 and 3 get cancelled. So basically 1 by minus 1 by 10 and 16 by 45. Okay, so minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 plus what? Minus 1 by 10 plus 16 by 45. 16 by 45. 16 by 45. So take the LCM here. So LCM would be what? 90. Okay, so this is 9. Okay, 9 minus 9 and this is 2. So what is this? 32. Okay, so just subtract. So this is what? 12. 3. Okay, and this is what? 23. 23 by 90. 23 by 90. Okay, so if you see the option, so correct option is option A. Okay, so correct option is option A. Okay, coming to the next question. So next question is question number 14th here. So 14th is what? X plus sine square x is 1 and you have to find this. So from here sine square x, sine x basically is what? 1 minus sine square x. 1 minus sine square x. So sine x is equal to what? Cos square x. So this is what? Cos square x. Okay, fine. So now you see you are asked to find this value. So what I can write this as? Cos 8. So I can write this as cos square x the whole to the power 4. Cos square x whole to the power 4 plus what? 2. Plus 2 I write this as cos square x whole cube, right? And then cos square x whole square. Okay, so putting cos square x as sine x, so this becomes what? Sine to the power 4x, right? This is what? 2 sine cube x, and this is what here? This is sine square x, sine square x. Okay, sine square x. Okay, now if you see this question, part, so what I can write this as sine square x the whole square. Okay, fine. Now this part we can write this as 2 sine x into sine square x, sine square x, and this is what? Sine square x. Okay, now if you compare this, so this is what basically here, this is what here is sine square x, a square, right? Even you can write this as sine x the whole square. Okay, so this is a square. Okay, so 2, this is b, this is b, this is a, right? And plus what? B square. If you compare this, so your a is what? A is your sine square x, A is your sine square x, and B is what? Sine x, the whole square. And what is sine square x plus sine x? That is 1. So 1 the whole square. Okay, that is 1. 1 the whole square, that is 1. If you see the option, the correct option is option C. Okay, now coming to the next question. Okay, coming to the next question. Question number 15. So how would we solve this question here? So here cot theta, if you see here the cot theta is what? 3 by 5. Cot theta is 3 by 5. Or if from here you can even find the tan theta. So that is what? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 reciprocal of cot. So here expression is what? 5 sine theta. 5 sine theta minus 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta divided by what? 4 sine theta. 4 sine theta plus 3 cos theta. Now what I will do here, I will just convert everything either in terms of cot or tan. So suppose I am converting everything in terms of tan, so we need to divide the numerator and denominator by cos. So 5 sine theta by cos theta, here minus 3 by 3 cos theta by cos theta, so cancel cos, so this is minus 3. Here 4 sine theta by cos theta, dividing numerator and denominator both by cos, so this is 3. So this is 5 tan theta, 5 tan theta minus 3, and this is what? 5 tan theta plus 3. Okay, now putting the value of tan theta simply, no need to find separately that sine and cos. Okay, 5 tan theta is what? 5 by 3, putting 5 tan theta minus 3 divided by what? 5 into 5 by 3 plus 3. Now simplify this. 25 minus 9 divided by 25 minus 9 divided by 3, and this is what? 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled, so just subtract this. 25 minus 9, so 5 minus 9. Okay, for 15 minus 9, so this is what here? 6, right? 16. Okay, and below what is this? This is what here? 34, right? So 4, 14, 34. Okay, if you cancel this, so this is 8, this is what? 17, right? So this is what here? 8 by 8 by so here my mistake is here the value is what here? This is basically 4. Okay, this is basically 4, so this will be what? Change, there will be change. So 5 here, not 4 or 5, 4 is there, so just we need to write here what here? The 4. Okay, 4 tan theta, this is what? 4. Okay, so this becomes what here? 4, so this is 20. Okay, so this cancel out and divided by what here? The 29. Okay, 29, so this will be not cancel out, so 16, simple, this will be what? 16. Okay, 16 divided by 29, 16 divided by 29. If you see the option, so correct option is option D, right? Hope you will be clear with this all solutions. I will come with the achiever sections, the hot question of the trigonometry. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.